Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video again I'm asking about the very urgent update of the Shiba token. Those people who's not alert, so please alert. It's time to wake up in the market. As you can see here, this time I will show you the latest update of the Shiba token. I'm going to share with you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so please click that subscribe button and like this video. I know you all my friends, you subscribe my channel. That is why I'm again asking you to thank you very much for subscribing my channel, friends. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Shiba token. At this time, price of the Shiba token is 0.00014 USD dollar is the current price of the Shiba token. And if we talk about the prices occur in the Shiba token, so in the last 1 hour and the last 1 day price change is going wrong, friends. These two changes is going wrong, friends. And if we look the last 1 week, the previous time result of the Shiba token in the market, so as you can see here, the previous last 1 week price change is going positive, friends. A lot of holders ask me this question when they again take a jump, friends. So in this video I will show you, friends. Keep watch. And as you can see here, this time the price chart after 24 hours on the screen, friends. If we look the chart, so as you can see here, a very bad falls occur in the Shiba token at this time, friends. As you can see here, and after this falls they again take a jump, friends, as you can see here on this time. And now if we look the current conditions, so currently at this time they are also in the fall. So please alert, be safe from loss, be active in the cryptocurrencies market. When you feel I'm not telling you that you sell, hold or buy at this time, friends. That's my I'm only share my suggestion. I only recommend my my opinion as that, friends. My opinion is that at this time, if you are a short-term investor, so sell it, friends. Why they fall down? You know why they fall down, friends? There was only one reason: the short-term investor, they goes to market in this sell Shiba token. That is why the price is continuously over and over fast down, friend. So same like that, I'm asking you, I'm telling you that if you are a short-term investor, so please alert in the market and sell your token, friends. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box. And remember, my prediction is very positive from Shiba token. I'm sure that Shiba token is going to the moon, and that will give you good amount of profit in the future with us, friends. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box. And kindly, once again, I'm asking you to please click the subscribe button. If you listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.